Kanhangad, Kerala's hidden gem. Nestled in the northern reaches of Kerala, Kanhangad is a town that whispers rather than shouts its allure. This serene town is a hidden gem, often overshadowed by the more popular tourist destinations in Kerala. Yet, for those who seek tranquility and a deeper connection with nature, Kanhangad offers an unparalleled experience. The streets of Kanhangad are quiet and peaceful, lined with traditional houses and small shops that exude a rustic charm. It's a place where the hustle and bustle of city life feels like a distant memory, and the simplicity of life takes center stage. It's a place where time seems to move a little slower, where the rhythms of nature dictate the pace of life. The slow-moving rivers and leisurely parks invite you to take a moment to breathe and appreciate the beauty around you. The gentle waves on the beaches and the trees swaying in the wind create a symphony of natural sounds that soothe the soul. Here, you can truly disconnect from the frenetic pace of modern life and reconnect with yourself. Kanhangad, with its pristine beaches, rolling hills and verdant forests, offers a tranquil escape from the frenetic pace of modern life. The natural beauty of this town is breathtaking, with every corner revealing a new vista that captivates the senses. Whether you're relaxing on a quiet beach or hiking through a peaceful forest trail, Kanhangad provides the perfect backdrop for a rejuvenating retreat. The town's unspoiled landscapes are a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. This charming town, often overlooked in favor of its more popular counterparts, holds a treasure trove of natural beauty waiting to be discovered. From hidden waterfalls to unexplored trails, Kanhangad is a paradise for those who love to explore off the beaten path. The hidden waterfalls and unexplored natural trails in Kanhangad are just a few of the many wonders that await you. Each discovery adds to the charm of this town, making it a destination that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Kanhangad's coastline is a sight to behold. Nestled in the northern part of Kerala, this coastal town offers a mesmerizing blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. The coastline stretches far and wide, presenting a picturesque view that captivates the heart and soul of every visitor. The azure waters of the Arabian Sea gently kiss the golden sands, creating a serene and tranquil environment that is perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. The town is home to some of Kerala's most pristine and serene beaches, each offering a unique experience. The beaches here are not just about the sun, sand and sea, they are a gateway to a world of peace and tranquility. The gentle waves, the soft rustling of palm leaves, and the distant call of seabirds create a symphony of nature that soothes the mind and soul. Each beach in Kanhangad has its own unique charm, from the bustling shores where local fishermen bring in their daily catch to the secluded spots where one can find solace away from the crowd. There is something for everyone. The diverse landscapes and the vibrant marine life add to the allure, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Shwaram Beach, with its golden sands and swaying palm trees, is the epitome of coastal tranquility. This beach is a haven for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The calm and serene environment, coupled with the breathtaking views of the horizon, makes it an ideal spot for meditation and reflection. The beach is also a popular spot for picnics and family outings, offering a perfect blend of fun and relaxation. The gentle sea breeze whispers tales of distant lands as you stroll along the shore. The cool breeze, carrying the salty scent of the sea, refreshes the senses and invigorates the spirit. Walking along the beach, one can feel a deep connection with nature, as the rhythmic sound of the waves creates a calming effect. It's a perfect place to unwind, reflect, and find inner peace. Madhur Beach, located a short distance away, offers a more secluded escape. This hidden gem is perfect for those seeking solitude and tranquility. The untouched beauty of the beach, with its pristine sands and clear waters, provides a perfect backdrop for a quiet retreat. Whether you want to read a book, meditate, or simply enjoy the beauty of nature, Madhur Beach offers the perfect setting. The beach is renowned for its breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in a riot of colors. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, creating a magical and unforgettable experience. The sight of the sun setting over the tranquil waters is a perfect end to a day spent in this coastal paradise. It's a moment that captures the essence of Kanhangad's natural beauty and leaves a lasting impression on the heart and soul of every visitor. Serenity embodied, the Madhur Mahadeva Temple. Perched atop a hill overlooking the Arabian Sea, the Madhur Mahadeva Temple is a beacon of spirituality and architectural brilliance. This ancient temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Kanhangad. As you climb the steps leading to the temple, you're greeted by panoramic views of the coastline, stretching as far as the eye can see. The temple itself is a masterpiece of traditional Kerala architecture, adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures. Ascending to tranquility, Kanhangad's hill stations. Beyond its coastal plains, Kanhangad is blessed with the lush embrace of the Western Ghats. The hills surrounding the town offer a cool respite from the coastal heat and are ideal for trekking and nature walks. Ranipuram, with its misty peaks and verdant valleys, is a trekker's paradise. The trek to the summit is rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and valleys. Other nearby hill stations like Paithalmala and Brahmagiri offer equally enchanting experiences. A tapestry of flora and fauna, Kanhangad's natural wealth. Kanhangad is a haven for nature enthusiasts. The town's diverse landscapes are home to a rich variety of flora and fauna. The Cottoncherry Hills, in particular, are renowned for their dense forests teeming with wildlife. Herds of elephants, tigers, leopards, and a myriad of bird species call these forests home. Exploring these forests is an adventure in itself, offering a glimpse into the untamed beauty of nature. Rivers of life, cascades of wonder. These natural marvels are not just sources of water, but are the lifeblood of the regions they traverse. They carve through the landscape, creating breathtaking vistas and nurturing the ecosystems around them. Kanhangad's landscape is crisscrossed by numerous rivers and waterfalls that add to the region's scenic beauty. These waterways are more than just picturesque. They are vital to the area's agriculture, providing essential irrigation to the fields. The rivers also support a diverse range of flora and fauna, making Kanhangad a haven for nature enthusiasts and wildlife photographers. The Chandragiri River, flowing serenely through the heart of Kanhangad, is a lifeline for the local communities. It is not just a source of water, but a central part of daily life. Fishermen cast their nets into its waters, children play along its banks, and families gather for picnics, creating a vibrant tapestry of life centered around the river. A boat ride along the river offers a unique perspective of the town and its surroundings. As you glide through the calm waters, you can witness the harmonious coexistence of nature and human habitation. The lush greenery, the chirping of birds, and the gentle ripple of the water create a serene and tranquil experience that is both relaxing and rejuvenating. The Ananthapura Lake Temple waterfall, cascading down from a height, is another sight to behold. This majestic waterfall is not only a natural wonder, but also a symbol of the region's rich cultural heritage. The sound of the water crashing into the pool below is both powerful and soothing, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that captivates all who visit. The waterfall is not only a visual treat, but also holds religious significance for the locals. It is believed to be a sacred site, and many come here to offer prayers and seek blessings. The combination of natural beauty and spiritual significance makes it a unique and cherished landmark in Kanhangad. Whether you are a nature lover, a spiritual seeker, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, the rivers and waterfalls of Kanhangad offer something for everyone. Unveiling Kanhangad, a tapestry of experiences. Kanhangad offers a myriad of experiences for every kind of traveller. Adventure enthusiasts can embark on trekking expeditions through the hills, while those seeking solace can simply unwind on the pristine beaches. History buffs can delve into the region's rich past by visiting ancient temples and historical sites. And for those who wish to immerse themselves in the local culture, exploring the vibrant markets and interacting with the friendly locals is a must. Kanhangad, a tranquil escape for the soul. In a world that's constantly on the move, Kanhangad offers a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Its unhurried pace of life, breathtaking natural beauty, and rich cultural heritage make it the perfect destination for those seeking a break from the ordinary. Whether you're looking to reconnect with nature, explore ancient temples, or simply relax on pristine beaches, Kanhangad has something to offer everyone. This hidden gem of Kerala awaits to enchant you with its timeless beauty.